At Waltons, we understand the importance of being able to see the products in person, so we take great pride in our show site. We have on display over 50 different buildings and garden accessories, ranging from wooden fence panels, garden sheds, traditional summer houses, greenhouses, playhouses, and our more premium range of log cabins and insulated garden rooms. Many of our buildings are propped to give you inspiration on what the building can offer. Each building has an information pamphlet for you to take away. Our helpful show site sales team will answer any question and provide in-depth knowledge of all available buildings. They can help guide you through the purchasing process, delivery, and offer expert advice. Whether you're looking for a new playhouse for the kids or a summer house to relax in, we'll be able to help you every step of the way. We are open Monday till Friday 9 till 5. You can find us off the A1 near Newark. We hope you enjoy your visit to Waltons Showsite. If you need any further information, please visit the website